Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video, and this video is all about Boxy Charm. Y'all all should know that once a month, if you are returning, I do a look with my Boxy Charm products. So this is this month's video, October. So this one is a little bit interesting because the card that I got, this is the card that I got from this month's theme is After Dark, so I think this is a really dark kind of look, which is perfect. But they're also offering a new premium, which is called Boxy Charm Premium, which is about $35 a month. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Not sure, but they're going to start sending like foundation and concealers, which is kind of like, maybe I will actually do it. I don't know. But anyway, so this is the look. If you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look with my Boxy Charm products, go ahead and continue to watch. But first, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video, comment down below, and make sure you share this video with your friends. Y'all remember the chicken head? Wow. I just did the chicken head. If I was standing up, that would have been really bad. Or really good. And another wink. I'm just treating y'all today. Like, this is a treat. Like, a wink and a chicken head? Come on. Keep watching, guys. Let's get into the tutorial. Tomorrow will be another Halloween look. This is another intermission, I guess you could call it. But it's still dark and vampy in a way. Okay guys, we're gonna hop right into this face. I'm so excited about this box. Like, it's so funny because my girl Yana has this and I always see her using it. I'm like, I need to get this, and it was sent to me, so I'm gonna use this thing like all throughout this face. So I'm gonna use it actually to prime, but I'm first going to put on my regular no problem primer first. No problem primer first, and then I'm gonna go in with the iconic Set, Prep, and Glow. I think I said that backwards, but you know the deal. After that, I'm going to go ahead and spray this. It says to spray it 12 inches from the face. I don't know what that is. I'm just going to go like this far out. Oh, that's 12 inches. I feel like that's a whole ruler. I don't know. Okay, so now that I'm all prepped, I'm actually going to go ahead and go off camera and do my base. But I have the Mellow eyebrow gel, so I'm going to actually come back and do the brows with you together. So we'll be right back. Okay, so now that my face is has foundation, concealer, and all of that, I use my Cake Mix foundation and my Cake Mix concealers. This is number 13. This is your Beautiful, and this is what's wrapping in, so that's what's on my face right now. I use my Pretty Girl translucent powder, and I use my Beauty Bakery brown setting powder. So a lot of this is just Beauty Bakery. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and try out the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, and this is what came in. This is what came in my Boxy Charm box. I've honestly never used a tinted brow gel like this before. Kind of looks like a mascara, but I'm just gonna start using it like a spoolie brush. So I'm just gonna lightly do upward motions. I'm not sure what the fucking point of this is. What it looks like, it's like supposed to be a base to whatever I use for my eyebrows. So actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my my Morphe pomade and put that over it and see if I'm doing this right, because I don't understand. Like I said, I've never used a gel before, so this is weird. Let me see. gonna spoolie this with my regular spoolie brush. And then I'm probably gonna go back in with the gel. Okay, so now that I finished this one brow, I'm just actually gonna go ahead and do this brow off camera, and I'll be back with my eyelids primed because we're gonna use a brand new eyeshadow from my Boxy Charm box. So we are back. I've done my other brow, primed my eyelids, so we're gonna go in with this Blushing Berries palette from Dose of Colors. I'm actually excited for this palette. And this is what it looks like. It comes with a little brush, and then it comes with these 5 colors. Start with this color right here. I'm gonna go in with this deep dark brown right here. Okay, so after I'm done with that color, I'm gonna go in with the black that's in the palette right here. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. Okay, so now that that is all blended out, I'm actually going to go ahead and do like a halo cut with some concealer. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna actually go in with this like really cranberry color. The colors are actually on the back, and this middle one is called Berry Pop. So I'm gonna actually go in with that. Okay, so now that this eye is pretty much done, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and we shall be right back. So we are back and we finished our eye. We did our under eye, we put some mascara on and all of that good. So we have 2 more products for me to show you guys. I'm actually going to use this a little bit differently than it's supposed to be used. This is a eyeliner. It is purple. I'm actually going to go ahead and use it as a lip liner. So this is the next product. This is the Iconic London, same as the Set and Spray, and it is the this is actually a lip plumper. Lip plumping gloss is the color Love Struck. I do not use lip plumpers. I have a lot of lips. I literally don't have an issue with my lips, but I'm gonna use it just to see how it is. It's tingling. Is that what it's supposed to do? Is that what it's supposed to do, guys? It's pretty. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and fix my hair, put on my lashes, and we'll be back with the final look. Oh, wait. Let's set our face. Yeah, so this is the final look.